Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bard AI to help you craft your workout regime, workout schedule, and potentially some food recommendations. We already did a bunch of case studies with Bard AI, how to start an e-commerce, how to use it as a GPS if you drive in the city, how to plan your trip or vacation. There are plenty of things that so far he did an awesome job. Now, let's try to find out, can a Bard AI create a special workout regime for us? Could you create a special workout regime plus some healthy food, I don't know, choices? We are looking to lose weight by the summer. Let's see how this will go, guys. I'm very curious to see what kind of information he will actually extract from the Google. Usually there will be blog posts and some videos, and it's amazing how he's able to summarize the most important and valid information. So this is it: workout regime and food choices. So first of all, cardio for calorie burn. Okay, outdoor activities, take advantage of summer weather with activities. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. Okay, high intensity interval training provides a powerful calorie burning punch in a shorter time frame. You see, guys, we have a schedule from some website here, women something, but I don't know why we are targeted as a woman. We are men. Let's see. With the changes, right? This is still good. Okay, men workout regime food choices. Okay, compound lifts for muscle building. Okay, high intensity interval. Okay, so this is the same. So obviously this works for either gender. Okay, so this bursts of intense activity with rest periods. This burns a lot of calories in a short time and keeps your metabolism revived for a long time of workout. Okay, we have sprinting, jump rows. Okay, burps. Okay, stay active throughout the day. Incorporate, aim for at least 10,000 steps per day. That's good. Healthy food choices. Now we're seeing some progress over here. Prioritize protein. Protein keeps you feeling full and helps you build and repair muscle tissue. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. That's interesting. See, good sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, lentils, and tofu. Complex carbs and energy. Okay, that's plenty of information. I think, guys, this is very, very helpful. I'm not an expert, right? You want to make sure you check all the information up and above, but this is the way how you can actually learn so much free information without going to a trainer, right? For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.